This is Gypsy. Gypsy is an 11-year-old spayed domestic longhair. Gypsy was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family moved and could not take her along. She is litter box trained, good with cats and good with kids. She's a social girl who will need a home that will put her on a diet and give her lots of love. If you want to meet Gypsy, come down to Kitty City. This is Jasper. Jasper is a 4-year-old neutered orange and white tabby. Jasper was brought to the Humane Society because someone in his previous family was allergic to him. He is litter box trained and good with cats. He loves to sunbathe and he's a very social boy. If you want to meet Jasper, come down to Kitty City. This is Susie. Susie is a 5-year-old spayed brown and orange tabby. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family moved and could not take her along. She is litter box trained, good with cats, and would do best in a home with older kids. If you want to meet Susie, come down to Kitty City. This is Figaro. Figaro is a 9-month-old spayed Russian blue. Figaro was brought to the Humane Society as a stray, so we don't know much about her history. She is litter box trained and good with cats. She's still a kitten, so she needs a home that has plenty of time to exercise her. If you want to meet Figaro, come down to Kitty City. This is Stardust. Stardust is a 4.5-year-old spayed calico. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family traveled too much. She is litter box trained, good with cats, and would do best in a home with older kids. She will need a home that can groom her on a regular basis, and she loves her belly rubbed. If you want to meet Stardust, come down to Kitty City.